The young Chandrasekhar arrived to Cambridge, the world epicenter of astrophysics, carrying a mathematical heresy. There was a mass limit for stars, a final frontier beyond which gravitational collapse was absolute. But his discovery, born of the pure logic of equations, clashed head-on with the intuition and authority of the most powerful man in his field, Sir Arthur Eddington, the pontiff of astrophysics. In the frigid atmosphere of the Royal Astronomical Society in 1935, Eddington didn't debate Chandra's calculations, he ridiculed them. For Eddington, this wasn't just a mistake, it was a philosophical offense. The universe was meant to be elegant and rational, and the idea that matter could disappear at a point of infinite density struck him as an unacceptable blemish. He declared with disdain, "I think there ought to be a law of nature that prevents a star from behaving in this absurd way." The silence that followed was that of professional excommunication. The scientific elite, afraid to contradict their leader, turned their backs on him, and his career in England was over. Yet his conviction was as unshakable as gravity. With quiet dignity, he published his work and emigrated to the United States, finding an intellectual home at the University of Chicago. For decades, while the world ignored his limit, he built a legendary career in other fields. But the universe does not forget. The discovery of the cosmic zoo of neutron stars, pulsars, and the overwhelming evidence for black holes transformed his limit from an absurdity into a cornerstone. The irony was cosmic. In trying to protect the universe from an absurdity, Eddington had refused to see its strangest and most wonderful creations.